Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and we're back with this pattern again. This is 11604. We already made this, but as soon as I showed it to my wife Mandy, she was like, "I would really like a bracelet like that." I'm like, "Okay." I mean, if nothing else, it's nice that she wants something I made, and yeah, the only thing is she didn't want it with the string doubled up like we did. So this template is based off of doubling up the string, and her wrists are really, really small. So let's go over here. This is a bracelet that I made for her, and we really only need to count. It's totally symmetrical. Of course it is. I made it right. We need to figure out how many knots there are in a row going up the middle. So let's get a little paint tool. Let's make it paint smaller. Jeez, that's huge. Okay, so yep, we can make a little mark there. So this is the center. So from here it's if we count this as one, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well, let's double check on ours. We don't have to really mark it because there's something that we can go off these colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on the purple, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the orange, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on the purple, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so we're only one row off. That's fantastic. That means I can use this pattern again and do it for her. Now, the other thing is she has picked her colors. So let's go back over to this thing. She's got a blue and a green. So we'll take this blue here, and let's see, we got yellow, orange. I guess this one's going to be the blue. So now if we select by color and we select this one, then we go to our paint tool and fill whole selection. We can turn that blue. Hang on. Let's go back to this. Yeah, I knew there was one that was off on my template thing here, so I fixed it. All right, so that becomes blue. And then the next color we have is green. So let's swap out. So it's orange, yellow, blue, and green. So let's do this one. Find us it's kind of an aqua green. Can we get a little? It's kind of like that. There, that's kind of more like what the color is. All right, back to the paint tool, the whole selection, and there's our green. Fix the paint tool again. So that's what our bracelet's gonna be. So orange, yellow, green, blue. Yeah. So it still puts it in the order, like like if we were doing a rainbow, but it's only 4 colors, so there's a big skip. It's not doing red, and it's not doing purple. But yeah, that way we have them all in the row. This was quick and easy. This is a lot faster than I actually anticipated. So, but that's good though, right? We'll be able to get this thing done, and tomorrow my wife gets a new bracelet. So, yeah. Special thanks to my YouTube members who make this possible. This time you guys helped me make a gift for my wife, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. And we know these things last a really long time, so that's kind of cool. Making memories. That's what it's all about, right? All right, guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.